It's a 4-volt rechargeable fan and I will make it 12-volt. For that reason, I will use these 3 batteries. 18350 battery, this 12-volt motor collected from a Sony CD player, and with this battery I will use this BMS. And a few days ago I add a speed controller that can support 12-volt. So let's get started. At first I will change the motor, and this fan blade is need some cleaning. Let's open it. Now I have to open this part, and for that nut bolt. Now I can work with this part. Here is another screw. Okay, then fan. Second screw, third screw, fourth. Nice motor. Huge speed, huge air. Replacing this motor is a challenge because old one is a small motor and it is easily fit in this compartment, but new motor is big size and it will not fit in this little compartment. Let's see what we can do. Okay, first go, you are retired. New one is here. I think somehow if I can put it here. At first I have to trim this extra board and then I will see fit it in here. I forgot to turn on my camera when I solder this motor and glue it, and you know how to do it, so I will not repeat it. See how good perform with 4-volt battery. Same airflow. Now see, is it fit with okay. Not so good. It needs more space. How can I do? Okay, I've got here, so it will. I take this risk, maybe it will work good. Now it's good. This part is okay, and I close it. New motor assembled. Fan is perfect. Screwdriver and screw one, second screw, third screw, fourth screw, then here we go. First one, second one. Put this cover. Now it's time to work with our battery pack. Let's open this battery compartment. Here is old charging unit that I will replace with new one, and this is the motor speed control circuit. It will work with this volt. LED controller I have to modify something with. Our battery pack is ready. Now we have to give it some charge. This 2 wire is for battery charging. Battery voltage is very low. Battery pack is ready with BMS, and now I think this LED, I don't need this LED anymore, so I will remove this LED controller from here, and I will remove the LED push button from here. Instead of in this position, I will install this DC charging port. Let's move. LED controller removed. Now it's time to install our DC charging port. At first, put some hot glue so it cannot move from its place. Hot glue in everywhere. Now connect battery negative, battery positive. Then charging port connected. So our upgradation is complete. Now we're going to assemble it again. No, everything all right. So screw second, third screw, fourth screw. Battery compartment, we don't need any battery in here because we have 3 battery inside this case. One is here, second here, third here. Here is our BMS, our motor speed controller, and DC charging port. Done. Wow. Thank you for your time.